Everyone online makes Pinterest affiliate marketing sound like a gold mine. But is it really that simple? Let's get real. You've seen the YouTube videos and Pinterest posts, I made $1,000 my first week, or $10K a month pinning from my couch. But what they don't tell you are the actual roadblocks, rules, and mistakes that can wreck your chances before you even start. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online sellers, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. And today, I'm breaking down the most common Pinterest affiliate marketing myths and giving you the truth behind the hype. So if Pinterest affiliate marketing is on your radar, this is one video you don't want to skip. Make sure to stick around to the very end because the last one is the most important. It's the one mistake that can get your account flagged or banned, even if you're doing everything else right. Let's get started. Myth number 1, you need a huge following to be successful. This is actually one of the biggest misconceptions. A lot of people assume you need thousands of followers or some kind of viral account before you can even earn a dime. But Pinterest doesn't work like typical social media. Pinterest is a visual search engine. That means even with a brand new account, you can start ranking for keywords and getting traffic to your links if you're using solid SEO. This is one of the few platforms where you can truly start from zero and grow with the right content and strategy. Things like your visuals, the titles you use, your pin descriptions and keywords all matter way more than how many people are following your account. We've got a full video that breaks down Pinterest SEO and keyword research, so you can check it out after this one. Myth 2, you'll make $1,000 in your first month. I'm sorry guys, I wish this were true, but I've got to be honest with you. Those 1K in a week headlines, they're great for clickbait and great for views, but not always telling you the whole truth. Now, I'm not saying no one ever hits these numbers. It can happen, but for most people, especially when just starting out, it's not the norm. And I'm sharing this because I want you to go in with the right expectation. In the first few weeks or months, you'll be figuring things out, what products you want to promote, which platforms or tools you like best, and what your pinning strategy looks like, what converts, what doesn't. But once you start building that system and finding your groove, the results do start to snowball. One pin might take off, traffic will build, sales will start coming in, and it will add up. I can't tell you if it'll take 1 month or 6, but I can tell you this. Affiliate marketing on Pinterest absolutely works. It just takes time and consistency to get there. And if someone else is out there saying that they've found a shortcut, definitely check them out. The more you learn, the better. But just know it isn't usually a get-rich-quick kind of situation. It's more of a grow slow but smart kind of one. Myth 3, Pinterest affiliate marketing is passive income. Okay, let's clear this one up right now. Pinterest affiliate marketing is scalable, yes, but completely passive, not quite. You can't just create one pin, drop your affiliate link, and walk away expecting the money to roll in. That's not how it works. Pinterest prioritizes fresh content. That means regularly adding new pins, testing new visuals, updating links, and staying active on the platform. You don't have to do it all manually. Tools like Pin Generator can help automate a lot of it, but there's still strategy and effort involved. The good news, once you have a system down, it gets way easier. You're not reinventing the wheel every day, you're just keeping things in motion. So no, it's not set it and forget it, but with a little consistency, it becomes repeatable, and that's where the long-term gains will come from. Myth number 4, you'll easily get approved for every affiliate program. Here's a curveball most people don't talk about. Getting approved for affiliate programs isn't always as easy as it sounds. There are a few different ways to join. Sometimes you can apply directly through a brand's website. Other times you'll go through a network like ShareASale, Impact, or something like Amazon Associates. But each of these networks has its own rules. Some will let you sign up without much hassle. Others will want to see that you've got a blog, or that you've been publishing regular content, or that you have a certain number of followers or monthly visitors. They want to make sure that you're driving traffic to the links. So before you dive in, it's worth doing a quick Google search, something like best affiliate programs for your niche, and see what comes up. That way you'll know exactly what's available, what kind of products you can promote, and what requirements you need to meet in order to get approved. Myth number 5, you can just drop affiliate links directly on Pinterest. This one is important and the number 1 mistake most people make that gets their account flagged or banned. A lot of beginners think they can just take an affiliate link and paste it into a pin. And while technically Pinterest does allow that, it is risky. It often goes against the platform guidelines and doesn't provide any value to the user, which is a big red flag for Pinterest algorithm. Instead, the smart move is to create a landing page, blog post, or product review, something that offers value first, and include your affiliate link there. Then link your pin to that page. This creates a better user experience for the person clicking, keeps your account in good standing, and actually converts in the long run because people feel like they're getting helpful info, not just a sales pitch. So if you take one thing away from this video, let it be this. Don't link your affiliate URLs directly to your pins. Set up a basic landing page or blog instead, even a free one to start. And you can use a tool like Pin Generator to automate the pin creation process and all the pinning once you've got it all set up. If you're not sure how to do that, don't worry. We've got a step-by-step video coming soon, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. So there you have it, 5 of the most common Pinterest affiliate marketing myths officially debunked. Hopefully this gives you a more realistic and confident starting point. You can make money with Pinterest, and yes, affiliate marketing works. But like anything worthwhile, it takes a little bit of strategy and consistency to see real results. And if consistency is where you tend to fall off, don't worry, you're not alone. That's exactly where tools like Pin Generator come in. It helps you automate the repetitive parts of Pinterest marketing, like creating and publishing fresh pins every day so you can stay visible without spending hours in Canva or in your scheduler. You can try it out for free at pingenerator.com. It's one of the easiest ways to stay consistent and actually see results. If any of this felt helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss the next few videos in our series. I'm Max. I share weekly videos to simplify your Pinterest marketing so you can get your content seen without burning out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.